must have heard scientists making predictions or coming up with future estimates about the population of a country. Do you have any idea how they do it? In this video, we will try to explore the mathematics behind predicting a population. Check this out. Consider a state whose population was 20,000 in 2001 and it increased to 25,000 in 2011. What is the percentage change of population of this state over a period of 10 years? The percentage change in population from one period to another is given by this formula. P is the percentage change in population, or P is equal to 25%. If we want to find the annual percentage change in population, we will have to divide 25 by 10 years, that gives 2.5%. This means the population increases by 2.5% every year. This is a way of finding the percentage change in population. Now let us look at this scenario from a different perspective. Population growth rate may be exponential or logistic. If a population's per capita growth rate remains unchanged, irrespective of the population size, we have an exponential growth. In this case, the population grows faster and faster. On the other hand, if a population's per capita growth rate gets smaller and smaller as population size approaches the carrying capacity, we have a logistic growth. Carrying capacity is the maximum population size that an environment can sustain and is subject to limited resource availability. Let us assume an exponential growth function. Y is the population, A is an arbitrary constant or some initial value, M is the growth rate, T is the time, and E is equal to 2.71824. If the annual growth rate of population of India is 1.1% and the current population of India is 1.3 billion, what will be the population after 10 years? Annual growth rate is 1.1% means M is equal to 0.011. The formula used to calculate annual growth rate uses the previous year as a base. Over longer periods of time, compound annual growth rate or CAGR is generally an acceptable metric for average growth rates. Current population is equal to 1.3 billion, which can be taken as the initial value. Therefore, A is equal to 1.3. Time period is equal to 10 years or T is equal to 10. Substituting these values in the growth equation gives this expression that is equal to 1.45115. Therefore, the population after 10 years is predicted to be 1.45115 billion. Can you predict the population for the earlier example using the exponential formula? Try it.